Ready? Definitely grass in here. Yeah, very much so. Very nice and comfortable.
I'm gonna start working it. Yeah, it is a good one. Yeah, I'm gonna. You want to go this way? Because you might. Well, that would change. You won't get. You don't want all that, I think. It's all open.
Doors.
Oh. This would be the crew. They went away.
Kept so you opened it? This one's fun.
Michelle, too, Daryl, can you send them a trailer right away, please? Send them a trailer right away, Daryl.
I gotta kick it pretty hard. If I hit it,
what's that?
Just go nice wheelie.
I'm okay if we trade in.
We can't open theirs either.
Well, they actually make it history when it goes open. But I don't know.
I mean, it's fine. I was just like, wow, it feels like I'm looking out of an airplane. I like the color.
Without those, yeah, you want to build.
But it drives.
Yeah. Yeah, I got 71 Maryland stuff playing.
I actually had Tucker. I mean, not Tucker, but Golden State picked up. Yeah, every year.
It has big running boards, like a park bench.
Is it this one?
Well,
Is that the same one as the other one?
same as the other one.
That plane could fly with like 50, 60, 70, 80, 100 bullets in it. So that's, yeah. Thanks, yeah. Did you bring your car or are you just here? I'm going to be at the water.
We've been up ground. I'm still like recovering from
breakfast. That's what Dad had.
This thing right here is what this is what Grandpa drove.
Yeah, 58 Chevy.
Where did that come from with the purple bow tie? Did Chuck start that? Or?
I think Patrick started it, and then Chuck decided he'd support him in it, and then they all just started giving him shit. And the funny thing is,
Quite the use of the railroad spikes.
Yes, that's a good thing for you. Grandpa, you spoiled them on something.
Yeah.
They follow us over here. They're like magnets.
Yeah, he said he was hugging me. I'm like, There's that Dodge front end. Matches the other.
Yeah.
So it's something regular.
Big one.
Just. I guess that is a big.
Could be it.
Truck.
baby right here.
I love these things.
This is so awesome.
Favorite cars. too.
Stay in the elk lodge with the RV.
Right there on Airport Road. Nice outside.
Oh, I can't imagine, John. Airport Road goes up to the airport. It's big, nice. Make a left turn right up the main road. And the elk lodge is right there on the right. Back. The lodge is
No, it looks good. So, how does it ride? Good?
not as nice. Really? You got a little more bounce in the back. Yeah. Q81 when it had everything on it. Right. A little spring. Still like that, right?
Pyrenees Mastiff. Let's go find your mom. I can't find her. Where my family started. Howdy.
How you doing?
Hey, everybody. Guess what? Across the way, the Wurst Festival has bratwurst ready to go. So if you want to get your bratwurst, they are ready. We'll start smelling that aroma heading over this way soon. But go get your bratwurst. They're ready. We want to thank you all for coming to the Wurst Dam Car Show. We have raffles still available. We're giving away a 70-inch TV, pull carts, a couple creepers. We have a certificate donated by Meekum Auction, a VIP experience for 4, valued at $400. Hey, in the house, we have our sponsors that we want to thank. Chapman Dodge is here. Come visit them. They've got a beautiful pink Jeep over here that you are welcome to look at and sit in. They have some giveaways too, so come visit Chapman Chrysler Jeep. We also have Imperial Cat in the house. We want to thank them as a sponsor. So come over here. They got some other free giveaways too. They're across from the event trailer here in the center of the park. Some shots.
Old original?
Also, again, we got some awesome items left up here. Hey guys, also I forgot to mention, you had a bunch of wiper blades donated and we're giving those away. So they're up here in a box with a little bit of oil. You guys can take a look and find what fits your needs. We don't want to take any home today. So it's up here against next to the event trailer by the flag.
2 seats. Come on. I always wanted to fall. Well, look how beautiful he said.
Oh, there you go. Where is Richard? Yeah, we'll walk down the aisle here and go look at the vendors if you want.
This is my car. If I need something pretty.
Oh, I was trying to remember that. Why you figured it.
Sunny, what's the name of that? Freaking number?
I don't remember.
That's the number.
I think he's on the fence if I get rid of it because it's kind of a part of his life for his whole life, you know. But I told him, I was like, you know, I was like, we can build this other car together. I can take this and we can, you know, put it towards your college and try to keep it. Like, he's got his associates right now and he has zero debt.